Hello everyone. Today, we're tackling a common task, importing JSON files into PostgreSQL. JSON is everywhere. It's used for APIs, configuration files, and more. PostgreSQL has excellent support for JSON data. This makes it easy to store and query JSON directly within your database. Let's jump right in. First, we'll cover why you might want to store JSON in PostgreSQL. Instead of parsing JSON in your application code every time, you can store it directly in the database. This allows you to query and manipulate the JSON data using SQL. This can be much more efficient and easier to manage. Second, we need to set up our PostgreSQL database. Make sure you have PostgreSQL installed and running. You'll also need a database and a table to store the JSON data. Let's create a simple table called products. This table will have two columns, ID, an integer acting as the primary key, and data, a JSON column. The JSON data type is recommended because it stores JSON in a binary format, making querying faster. You can create the table using SQL, create table products, ID serial primary key, data JSON. Remember to connect to your specific database. Now for the core part, importing the JSON data. There are several ways to do this. We can use the PSQL command line tool. Assuming you have a file named products.json, you can use the following command to insert the data: psqld your underscore database c insert into products, data, select JSON underscore populate underscore record, null of products, convert underscore from, pg underscore read underscore file, products.json, utf-8. Remember to replace your underscore database with the name of your database. This command reads the JSON file, converts it to a JSON object, and inserts it into the products table. Another approach is to use a programming language like Python. With Python, you can read the JSON file, connect to the PostgreSQL database using a library like scicop2, and then insert the data row by row. This method offers more control and flexibility, especially if you need to perform any data transformations before inserting it. You would iterate through the JSON array, construct an SQL insert statement for each object, and execute it. For example, import scicop2, import JSON, connection equals scicop2.connect, database equals your underscore database, user equals your underscore user, password equals your underscore password, host equals localhost, port equals 5432, cursor equals connection.cursor, with open, products.json, r, as f, data equals json.load, f. For record in data, cursor.execute, insert into products, data, values, %s, json.dumps, record, comma, connection.commit, cursor.close, connection.close. Remember to install scicop2 using pip install scicop2. Finally, after importing the JSON data, you can query it. PostgreSQL provides powerful JSON functions for querying and manipulating JSON data. For example, to select all products with a price greater than 100, you can use the following query: select from products where data-price numeric 100. The dash operator extracts a JSON value as text. We then cast it to a numeric type before comparing it. You can also use the dash operator to extract JSON objects. Experiment with different JSON functions to get the most out of your data. That's it for importing JSON files into PostgreSQL. We covered setting up your database, different import methods, and querying the data. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Your support helps me create more content like this. Consider supporting the channel through Patreon or by purchasing our courses. Every bit helps. See you in the next video.